Hello V, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. The point of the video I wanted to show you is how to increase your value of your company and rank on Google. I know you don't have a website. You said it was shut down. So I wanted to share a little insight you may or may already know, but you need content, backlinks, and citations to rank on Google. You do know that keywords get put in, or any words that are typed in here are keywords that Google uses to look for websites that best fit for the keyword that you just typed in. Search engine optimization, SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to keyword or words that get typed in. And then Google categorizes these websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. You know that this is the map pack, and to get ranked in here, you need citations, name, address, and phone number as your Google business profile reflects. And with that, it creates a strength and a repetition that Google recognizes, and it ranks you in the map. It's important to be seen in the map. A lot of traffic comes through the map. Restaurant near me, auto repair near me. And so the map is a great place for exposure. Directories for citations include like Yelp, Angie's List, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. Everything underneath the map is considered organic rank. So when you're ranking underneath the map, it is content and backlinks and keywords that get you here to the first page. So I'm not sure if you understand how that works. So I'll go over it briefly with you. You don't have a website, so I picked a ranking, not a Yelp, that's an advertisement, not a AAA, that's a national company. So I just picked Auto Repair Decatur, Georgia, Champs Tire as an example. Um, and so this is their website. And then I have a tool, it's called Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on inside their website. It shows me that they have 10 referring domains that they're connected to, and from that they have 12 backlinks. And a backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another. Google uses that to build trust. It creates popularity. And then also, you need keywords so that when people are typing into here, your keywords, the keywords that they're typing in, you need to have those keywords within your website and within your content so you get recognized for that when Google is looking for that. 1,500 to 2,000 keywords of content, and depending on your competition, the number of keywords to get recognized. So, to give an example of the keywords and to see the exposure. So, auto repair Decatur, Georgia, 100 times per month. Let's see, auto repair in Decatur, Georgia, 100. Auto repair champs, 60 tires, Decatur, 100 times a month. Alignment specialist, 1,000 times a month. Auto shop, Decatur, 20. Tire shop, tires 50/50. Decatur tire service, 30. Decatur tire shop again. Auto repair, Decatur, 10. So you can quickly see how many times per month that these keywords are getting exposed, which is the potential to drive all that traffic through your site if your keywords and your content are done correctly. You will rank, you will be recognized, you will be trusted by Google, you will be endorsed, you will get on the first page, you will increase traffic. It's very simple to get here. I just wanted you to get an understanding of why and how they're there. Also, again, not all backlinks are created equal. You do not want a backlink from an ice cream shop. It's not as strong as a backlink from another automotive shop. Let's see what kind of traffic we have. The securecritic.com is the backlink. It gets 266,000 for traffic. Let's see where we have geopeak.com. It's another one. Domain rank is important because you want a strengthy backlink and you want decent traffic through it. Now, with him, these particular backlinks, 0 zeros, they're not doing them very good. There's not a lot of pull here. But again, if you look at the first page, understand advertisement, AAA. Here he is. This is a Gulf gas station. This is 10 best mechanics in Decatur, advertisement. This is Precision Tune. They're at the bottom. In-town auto Decatur, car repair. There's not a lot here, so it's very easy for him to have ranked in the position that he did. So once you understand backlinks, citations, content, and keywords, and you can get an idea of how this plays a part in the way Google looks at you and puts you together as a trusted source of information, and that you have people backing you up, other websites, better credit and trust. You will see the value of your business increase. You'll get more exposure on the first page, and it'll bring more customers, and that'll bring more revenue. With that being said, you may or may not have already known this, but I wanted to thank you for your time, and I appreciate it. Hope you have a better understanding of how important a well-built website is and the value that it can bring and what you need behind it. If you want to talk more, I could do some research and find out exactly what would be realistic for you and your business and your goals. Thank you for your time, and have a good night.